Hey.
He's pissed, man. Look at him.
He's all sour.
Oh, watch, I'll start calling him. We'll make a loud noise. You guys will not. It'll hurt the ears.
Yeah, it's fucking loud. He's digging over here.
Yeah, I've been on board since September 25th.
I want to feed it something.
Fucking thing is sweet.
It's fucking like a big fucking teddy bear. It's
Hey.
fluffy and shit.
I'm just fucking walking around there like
Chilling on your back.
fucking just cruising your car. There's a fucking lemur, whatever the fuck this is.
What is that?
Zaboomafo?
Camera. Say hi, Stevie.
He's gonna take a shit on you, Steve.
He's gonna take a poop. That thing is so cool though. Like fuck. He's pissed. He's camera shy.
He's awesome.
I want one of these. I'm gonna get one and hang out in my room with it.
Is that shitting?
Yeah, so I gotta leave my truck here. Where can I put it?
Well, there's not really much place you can move it.
Well, these guys need to get out of eventually.
Yeah, you're up.
Let's just push over by the greenhouse.
No, because we need it.
Well, at least it happened at a fucking buddy's house instead of like in town.
Just
just call
park it
Charlie,
up
see if he
here.
can poke.
Hey, stupid. Park it up here.
Can't drive it.
Push it up onto the fucking right beside Jake's trailer.
He's got to push it through the drive-through. Get going.
He's got a tractor. He'd be alright.
Slight uphill too.
Yeah.
I did it though. It's manpower.
It's gonna have to be closed eventually. I don't wonder what Charlie's number is.
What do you got in there?
Huh?
You got a dip in or something? Or is that the candy?
He stole the whole fucking thing.
I know Charlie can hold that.
Huh?
Where's your truck?
Huh?
Where's your truck?
Demrani.
Charlie.
Charlie from CA.
Oh, I saw Billy on the fucking news this morning.
Fucking shitty D-Max blew up.
Yeah. It was bigger. Yeah. Just back over looking out or something.
Yeah, I know. Like we were trying to call translate last year.
I was so pissed I got lied to today. I was angry.
Apparently, Krantz told him that I said for him to come up here, and I never talked to Mark.
Yeah.
What?
And then when I asked Mark, I said, well, what are you buying it for? Mark's just like, oh, 300. That's bullshit. You didn't tell him that. Is that right? Or are you lying?
No, I didn't come for 100.
Krantz kept trying to buy it for $3. Krantz was trying to buy it for
Well, if it
$3.
gets out, just get it. You know, take that out.
He's changed so much.